Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up using Docusign to streamline purchase agreements step by step clearly. To set up Docusign for streamlining purchase agreements, start by creating a Docusign account. Visit the Docusign website and click on Sign Up. Fill in the required information, including your email and password. Once your account is created, log in to your Docusign dashboard. Next, click on Templates in the top menu to create a reusable template for your purchase agreements. Choose Create Template to start setting up the new document. Upload your purchase agreement document by clicking the Upload button. After the document is uploaded, you will see a list of fields available for customization. Drag and drop the necessary fields for signatures, dates, and other required information onto the document. Ensure that you label each field clearly so that signers know where to fill in their information. Once you're satisfied with the template, save it by clicking the Save button. Now, return to the dashboard and select Send an envelope to initiate a transaction. Choose the template you just created from the list. Add the recipient's email addresses in the designated fields. Set the document viewing order if necessary, ensuring the correct signing sequence. You can personalize the email message that will be sent to your recipients. Review all the details to ensure accuracy before sending. Once everything looks good, click Send to deliver the purchase agreement to the recipients. Your recipients will receive an email with a link to review and sign the document. After signing, you will be notified via email, and the completed document will be saved in your Docusign account. You can track the signing progress in your Docusign dashboard under Manage. To check on the status of your agreement, navigate to the Sent folder. You are now set up to use Docusign to streamline your purchase agreements efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.